Hi friends, now we're going to talk about how we can start a workflow in an ad hoc way. So lots of time, you have problems and generally you start a workflow using SWS, but you need an admin approach and you have to go to the workflow expert and ask for it. But there is a way you can start the workflow from the transaction code it's referred to. Okay, so I'll show you how you can build it accordingly. So I go to ME53N. Okay, so this is the start workflow. So this is the purchase acquisition. Okay, and here we have, suppose this is the purchase acquisition. Now for some reason I need an workflow approval, or just for notification, or it can be some information or something. How can I do it? First thing I have to do, and this thing you can do it for any transaction code. Okay, so here I'll go to workflow, I'll go to archive workflow. First thing I'll go is I'll pick this business object number. Okay, now then what I'm going to do, I'll go to PFTC. Okay, the moment I go to PFTC, I go to workflow template, and here I will just create a workflow. ZF, sorry, I have to have the naming convention, PR workflow. Okay, here now what I'm going to do, create workflow and start PR. I'll just give a name, start PR workflow from 6 and so without any event. Okay, so generally 95 to 96% of the workflows are event driven, but this is not event driven. Okay, so this is what I'm showing. So I'll click on save now. Mhm. And we'll click local object down, then I'll go to container. Okay, and here I'll just give a workflow. Okay, so I'll say purchase this rec. Okay, so I'll just get this, put this, and here I'll put business object bus 2. Uh, what was the business object? I want to make bus to 105. Okay, 105. Here I'll put import export. I'll click save. Now I don't have to do anything here. Now what I'm going to do is I'll go to workflow builder, and I'll put in decision task. Okay, and I'll make it test PR workflow. Okay, and we'll put expression as workflow initiator. I'll just put approve, and just for the heck, approve, and nothing to approve, but you just showing reject, and so now what I'm going to do is I'll go to the control place. This is already agent is green, it's important, and we did this and we activated it. Our workflow is activated. Now what we have to do is this is very important. What we have to do is we go back. I go to additional data, agent determination, maintain. Okay, this is very important. This portion is the most tricky part. Here I'll go to attributes, and I'll here make it general task. Okay, once I make this general task, this will do all the trick. Okay, and I save it. It's done now. Now what I'm going to do is I'll go here, workflow, start workflow. So you see establishing possible workflows, and here you see the workflow that I just created. I can just click on it and click start, and that should trigger the workflow. See, I have everything. So you see, I get, since it was workflow initiator, I've got all the information. Um, so here you can see it has the business object. It's already mapped. You have everything there, so it's pretty nice. So this way you can trigger a standalone workflow without any event from 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 this transaction ME53N, and if you want you can do it through ME52N also, whatever you want. Okay, and so the trick was, basically the trick is going here. I'll again go additional data agent assignment maintain and make sure this is general task. Okay, so you click on this attribute and it's general. So if you want to disable this, you just make it no general, and by default all the workflows are no general. Okay, so that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning. And if you like it, share and subscribe to it, and have a great day.